Welcome to our video on journal entries. The journal entry window provides another alternative to enter transactions into the system. Both AP and banking require a vendor selection to process payments, whereas the journal entry window does not. On this window, you can create a new journal, look up a previously posted journal, make recurring journals, and find recurring journals. Because this is double entry accounting, the window opens with two distribution lines available, an asset and an expense. These can easily be changed and more lines can be added. To create a new journal, go to General Ledger, GL, Journal Entries. Enter the memo. This field is required, usually a short description of the transaction. Enter the date of the transaction. Select the fund that will be used. Choose the account type, and then select the account. The debit and credit fields will show a plus or minus sign depending on the account you select. This is a great guide if you are unsure of whether to debit or credit an account. In this transaction, the checking account will be decreasing, so the dollar value will be entered into the credit column. The amount of money applied to the expense account is increasing, so this is your debit. Fill in the dollar amounts. When the debit and credits equal at the bottom, the journal can be posted. If the debits and credits do not match and you click Post, an error will appear to let you know something is wrong and you must fix it and try again. If you'd like to copy a previously posted journal, click on this button. You will see a list of all previously posted journal entries. You can search by memo, date, or amount. When you click on one of these journals, it brings you back to the journal screen window and allows you to make any changes to the journal that are needed and then post the journal again. This saves time and maintains transaction consistency, especially when transactions are large. Sometimes, the same journal entry will be entered every week or every month. To prevent the need of re-entering the journal, you can save an entry for easy recall when you need to post it again. Journal entries can also be made to transfer money between funds, if you do not want to use the fund transfer window. This is especially nice if you move money to multiple funds each month. To set up a recurring journal, start by entering the journal memo. Then enter the date. If the general fund gives $10,000 each month to the money market account, and the money is being distributed among 3 different funds, you might want to use a journal entry instead of doing 3 fund transfers. This way the transaction will match the dollar value at both banks. Our first fund is going to be the general fund. $10,000 is coming out of the checking account and removed from pledge income. Click the plus sign to add in additional lines. Our second fund is the Memorial Fund. $2,500 is being transferred to the money market account. Another $2,500 will be given to the Missions Fund. And $5,000 is being given to the Building Fund for debt reduction. Once the debits and credits match at the bottom, click Make Recurring. The next screen will allow you to name the recurring entry. Select the frequency and the day of the week you want it posted, and click Save. Once you have saved the entry, you can now post the journal you have created. While a recurring journal is saved with a fund's identity preserved, it can be changed upon recall and prior to posting. The general journal memo and transaction date can also be changed. This function does not automatically post the journal. You still have to call up the journal and click Post Entry. To call up a recurring journal, click Find Recurring. A window opens displaying all recurring journals. Select the desired entry from the scroll window. The journal can then be modified and posted by pressing the Post Entry button. If you click on the Clear form, all line item information will be removed. Transactions made to accounts belonging to credit card payable must be done through the credit card charges. Thanks for watching.